These are 5 side hustles that you can start today. Margarita. In the last 3 years, I've made close to 8 figures in the online space, and today I'm going to show you how you can get started. Okay, the first side hustle that you can start is YouTube, and I know that you might think that your face has to be in it, that you have to do kind of what I'm doing, and that's actually not the case. I'm going to tell you today how you can start a YouTube channel without even showing your face. So to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 365 days. And I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. The first way is to make compilation videos. You can make compilation videos on just about anything, and the most popular ones right now are TikTok videos. So there's TikTok videos that are funny, there's TikTok videos on shoes, on lookbooks, fashion, apartment tours, pets. I personally love to watch TikTok compilation videos while I clean the house, especially the funny ones, the outfit ones, and Amazon finds. In fact, if you're in dropshipping, I have found some of my winning products watching Amazon find compilation videos. If you create these compilation videos, you can get monetized on YouTube because people love watching the TikTok videos of the compilations of things that interest them. What you need to do is create a really good thumbnail that catches your audience's attention, post it on YouTube, and stay consistent. Your first video might not go viral, but if you consistently post the compilation videos, you'll have more of a chance of one of them hitting the algorithm. The second way that you can start a YouTube channel without showing your face is by posting royalty-free music. It is getting close to the holidays right now, and what some people are doing is that they're downloading royalty-free Christmas music, jazz music, cozy feeling music, and getting a picture maybe of a Christmas tree, a fireplace, or royalty-free videos, and putting them together. So then we have a cozy fireplace with royalty-free music in the background that you can listen to while you're drinking your hot chocolate. You don't have to be in the video, and you downloaded the video, got rights from it by downloading it online, and you can get paid for the views you get. You can even listen to your own videos whenever you're hanging out in your home. There's different websites online that you can get royalty-free music and royalty-free images and videos. All you have to do is put them together. You can do different types of music like jazz, lo-fi, house music, etc. In fact, my boyfriend has a lo-fi hip-hop video on his channel, and that is the video that got his channel monetized. He is making money from that video to this day. He didn't have to do anything, only download the royalty-free music. The second way that you can start making money online is with affiliate marketing. And to start off, I'm going to talk about Amazon affiliates, which is actually one of the most popular right now. And I'm going to bounce off my last point, which was YouTube. Amazon made me buy, TikTok made me buy compilations. There's already hundreds and thousands of videos that people have made on TikTok where they show you their Amazon finds. So download those videos from TikTok, compile them into a YouTube video, and in the description of your YouTube video, you can put your own Amazon affiliate links there. There are many accounts on YouTube dedicated to doing this, and I'm sure that you would be able to do it too, especially if you create really good thumbnails, because on YouTube, thumbnails are very important. Another way that you can start affiliate marketing is by finding out if softwares that you use on a regular basis have affiliate programs. For example, I use Shopify every day, so I am part of the Shopify affiliate program. I use Airtable every day, so I'm part of the Airtable affiliate program. And I'm sure that you can find softwares that you use daily that have an affiliate program. If you can't think of any softwares that you use daily, there's also a website called ClickBank. With ClickBank, you can scroll through thousands and thousands of different companies that have an affiliate program, and you can sign up to be an affiliate with them. And then you can promote that affiliate link to your following on social media. If you don't have a following on social media and you don't really want to sell people anything, another thing that I personally do is that I do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. My niche is business and entrepreneurship, so I repost a lot of TikToks on my Pinterest account that have something to do with business and entrepreneurship. And whenever you post on Pinterest, it asks you if you want to put a link, and I usually put the links to my affiliate links or my digital products. My Pinterest account gets over 500,000 views every month, and it's all from just reposting TikToks that I found on TikTok. So let's say that you're really into pets and dogs and animals. You can repost some of the most viral animal content on your Pinterest account and go to ClickBank and find similar companies that have dog animal products. Once you sign up for those affiliate programs, you can link those affiliate links to your Pinterest account. To me, affiliate marketing is one of my favorite forms of marketing. A lot of the people who are millionaires on affiliate marketing, all they do is post about their regular life. You're shopping on Amazon already, post about it and share that link with your followers. Same thing you can do with YouTube, like I mentioned with compilations. You can also have different compilations of, again, dog videos, cat videos, animal videos. In the description of your YouTube videos, have your affiliate links. The third thing that you can start doing today to make $100 a day is selling digital products. I personally sell my ebook and an online course, but I know that not everybody wants to sell an ebook and an online course, nor do you want to promote it yourself. There's different ways that you can sell digital products without being the one to advertise. First, you can sell digital products on Etsy. I know several people making thousands of dollars on Etsy, and all they do is that they download the digital rights to children's book or children educational books or coloring books, and then they resell them on Etsy. You don't have to do any of the promoting because Etsy promotes it itself. Other things people sell on Etsy, their digital products, are planners, templates, calendar templates, good notes templates for your iPad. For example, I have my iPad and I use GoodNotes, and I actually downloaded the template I have now from Etsy. I went and bought it from somebody. There was thousands and thousands of notebooks to look from. And don't worry, you don't have to make the coloring book, you don't have to make the educational book, you don't have to actually make it yourself. You buy rights to it on different websites online. Another way that you can sell digital products online is by selling a course on Skillshare. You may know something that maybe a lot of people ask you about, how to make small talk, how to make friends. I personally watch courses on Skillshare that are not very common. I watched the course on how to make friends and how to start small talk. You can sell almost anything on Skillshare. If it's something that people ask you a lot of questions about, then it's probably something that you can sell on Skillshare. Another good thing about Skillshare is that you don't have to do the promoting of your course. Skillshare goes ahead and promotes it for you. Of course, it definitely helps if you post it on your social media accounts to drive traffic to it. The fourth way that you can start making money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. You can become a virtual assistant on Fiverr or on Upworks. I hire virtual assistants all the time for the randomest things, to plan my social media content, to repost my TikToks onto Reels, to repost my TikToks to my Pinterest account. Lots of different busy work tasks that I can't do myself, or I can, but I'm not gonna do myself, that I can outsource for someone else to do. I can pay my virtual assistants from $9 to $15 an hour depending on what I want them to do, whether it's data entry, adding reviews to my products, editing my YouTube videos, lots of different things. You can be a virtual assistant for nearly everything, and you can work on your own time and set your own wages. The fifth way that you can start making money online today is by renting out your car. I know that this is not something that everybody can do, but I'm just gonna throw this out there in case anybody is interested. I personally do this. Since I work from home, I don't drive that often, so my car is usually rented out on Turo. I make from $1,000 to $5,000 a month just from renting my car out on Turo. My parents also have 2 cars and they only drive one, so one of their cars is also on Turo. There's different YouTube videos that you can watch to get you started renting out your car. I definitely recommend it, especially if you're like me and you don't drive that often. And if I do go somewhere, my boyfriend takes me, so take advantage. And I know I said I was only gonna do 5 different side hustles, but I'm gonna throw in the 6th one, and it is dropshipping. I dropship full time, but I'm sure that many people can do a side hustle dropshipping store. The easiest way to start dropshipping right now at the lowest cost, meaning with no ads, is with TikTok. So find a product that you think is cool, that you think is fun, that you would personally buy it, have it in your possession, and create TikToks for it. All for free. All you have to do is make 10 TikToks a day, which is not that hard, and promote the product. You can create your website on Shopify. I will leave the link below if you want to start dropshipping with Shopify. Create a high converting product page that I have created video already, and start making videos of your product and posting them on TikTok. Of course, it's not going to be an overnight success, but if you stay consistent, you will get the rhythm of it. One of your videos will go viral. Lots and lots of small businesses have gone viral on TikTok and have completely sold out their inventory. So if you find a cool product, and it could be an Amazon bestseller, a product that has already gone viral, and create good videos for it, there is no doubt in my mind that you can start making money dropshipping. If you're interested in really starting to dropship and taking it on full time like I have, my A through Z ebook explaining exactly how I took my dropshipping store from 0 to 8 figures in 3 years is linked right below for $15. Alright, so that was 6 different ways that you can start making money online today. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and I hope that you actually take these tips and start something. I tell my friends about these all the time and they're not taking action, so I hope that you take action on these different side hustles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Miss Margarita, and I'll catch you guys here next time.